In this video, I will show you step by step how to generate leads on HubSpot effectively, even if you are just starting to use the platform. First, log in to your HubSpot account and access the main dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the marketing option in the top menu and click on it to see the available tools. One of the most common ways to generate leads on HubSpot is by creating lead capture forms. To do this, go to the Forms option and click Create Form to build a new form. Next, choose the type of form you want and add fields such as name, email, and any other information that is important for your business. After configuring the form, click Publish to generate the code or link that can be added to your website or landing page. Another way to generate leads is by creating landing pages designed specifically to collect information from visitors interested in your product or service. You can also connect HubSpot with Facebook ads, Google ads, or other platforms to send traffic directly to your lead capture pages. All contacts who fill out your forms will be automatically saved in the HubSpot CRM, making it easier to follow up with potential customers. It is also important to track results in the reports section to understand which strategies are generating more leads. And that's it. Now you know how to generate leads on HubSpot in a simple and organized way. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.